Okay, so all of you can see here that we have to write down the input x for each of the following outputs y. Again, you're going to use the same equation, y is equals to x plus 3. We are getting the output y. Whatever the value of x is given, we are going to find out for y. Now over here, output is given. Okay, and you know the equation was y is equals to x plus 3. Now over here 9 for y 9 is given, so you're going to write 9 is equals to x plus 3. So you're going to now find out for x. All right, so what we will do, we are going to bring 9 here and we will subtract 9 minus 3. So you will get x is equals to 9 minus 3 and x is equals to 6. All right, so here the value for x will be 6 in part a of point 3. All right, same equation you're going to use, and you're going to use your algebraic like strategy to solve for x also. Okay, and same now over here for the next one. Now next one is input x is equals to, what is x? If you're going to get this equation here, that y is equals 0. All right, so what do you think this should come here? What are you going to add in 3? You will get 0. If you're going to do it like y is equals to, sorry, x is equals to x is equals to it was y is equals to x plus 3, so we can find it for x is equals to y plus 3. So you will get 0. X is coming 0, so you're going to get minus 3 plus 3, so x will be, y will be 0, right? I've written x here. Yes, it should be y. Y is equals to 0. So what is the value for x? Minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 would be 0. So you're going to write down minus 3 here. Alright. And you can use the equation to solve it. आप equation लिख के भी कर सकते हैं पूरी. The same equation you're going to write and you're going to replace the values here. Alright. You can do it. Now over here there's a table over here. The above data can be represented by table 6.1. complete the table. Now we have to complete the table. Whatever the values we have found, अगर हमारे पास x minus 7 था तो y की वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या आई है? y की वैल्यू आई है हमारे पास -4. अभी हमने जो नीचे पॉइंट 1.2 में वैल्यूज फाइंड करी है, हमने यहाँ पर वो वैल्यूज टेबल में लिख देनी है. अगर y की वैल्यू 0 है तो x की वैल्यू हमने क्या फाइंड की थी? -3. यहाँ ऊपर गिवन है ओवर हेयर. If y is 0, x is equals -3. These are the values for x and these are the values for y. Now this pair is given 2 and 5. Now second last is, if x is 4, so the value of y is, we have found out through the equation, it was 7. So you're going to write down 7 here. And in the last one, if y is given 9. So the value for over here, it is given over here in point 3a. Y was 9, so x will be 6. So you're going to write 6 here like this, 6. So this is how you have to discover, you have to explore all of these points for coordinate pairs for x and y. You will then write down in the table. Now you have all the coordinate pairs in the table. So you're going to plot the points on the basis of this table which is given on this page in the graph given on the page number 140. जो आपके पास graph given है, this